The legal theory of rights believes that the rights are created by the state, the rights are created by the nature, the rights are created by the society, the rights are eternal. The correct answer is the rights are created by the state. Civil rights are given to the individuals by the states, the people, nature, society. The correct answer is the state. Who said liberty is the opposite of our government? A. Locke, B. Lasky, C. Hobbes, D. Seeley. The correct answer is Seeley. Seeley said liberty is the opposite of our government. Who first gave the concept of distributive justice? Plato, Aristotle, Machiavelli, Locke. The correct answer is Aristotle. In democracy, source of authority is vested in dash: the people, the party, constitutions, law. The correct answer is the people. Who is the author of A Grammar of Politics? Mill, Rousseau, Laswell, Lasky. The correct answer is Lasky. Administrative law is popular in England, France, USA, Italy. The correct answer is France. State is known by the rights that it maintains. Who said? Russell, Woodrow Wilson, Janet Lasky. The correct answer is Lasky. Which law is popular in England? Administrative law, rule of law, ordinance, statute law. The correct answer is rule of law. What is the maximum term period provided for an ordinance? 8 months, 6 months, 9 months, 12 months. The correct answer is 6 months. Negative liberty implies that freedom should be unlimited, freedom should be restricted, freedom from wants, freedom to rule. The correct answer is freedom should be unlimited. Which law is made by the legislature? International law, statutory law, common law, natural law. The correct answer is statutory law. Rousseau authored the book Social Contract, Republic, The Prince, Politics. The correct answer is Social Contract. Which day is observed as International Human Rights Day? December 1st, December 10, June 5, April 2. The correct answer is December 10. Referendum means refer to the judiciary, refer to the legislature, refer to the executive, refer to the people. The correct answer is referendum means refer to the people. Plebiscite is word derived from plebiscitism, plebiscite, public, plebeian. The correct answer is plebiscitism. Plebiscite means people's opinion, people's decree, people's decision, people vote. The correct answer is people's opinion. Which of the following country follows a multi-party system? China, England, France, USA. The correct answer is France. Which is known as the citadel of democracy? Athens, America, India, Switzerland. The correct answer is Athens. Who introduced intellectual foundation stones for behavioral approach? Easton, Merriam, Laswell, Bentley. The correct answer is Easton. Who said political science is the sharing and shaping up of power? Merriam, Lasswell, Catiline, none of them. The correct answer is Lasswell. Who is known as the greatest advocate of post-behavioralism? Merriam, Stone, Lasswell, Bentley. The correct answer is B. Stone. Which approach demands relevance and action? The correct answer is post-behavioralistic approach. Which approach considers state being an engine of tyranny and exploitation? Post-behavioralism, Marxian approach, behavioralism, institutional approach. The correct answer is Marxian approach, B. The term state is derived from which language? Latin, Greek, English, none of it. The correct answer is Latin. Who defined the state is politically organized people of a definite territory? Bluntschli, Wilson, Machiavelli, Aristotle. The correct answer is Bluntschli.